That persistent fatigue isn't just aging, it's your body's silent cellular alarm. This invisible metabolic disruption is hijacking your hormones and accelerating the aging process. In fact, according to researchers at Johns Hopkins Medicine, the hormone insulin acts as a master regulator, and when its signals are ignored, it can create a cascade of hormonal chaos, impacting everything from your energy to your reproductive health. This phenomenon is known as insulin resistance, and today we will dismantle it. Imagine your cell is a locked door, and glucose, your body's primary fuel, is waiting to get inside. Insulin is the key. In a healthy body, insulin unlocks the door, and glucose enters to provide energy. But with insulin resistance, the lock has become rusty, the key no longer fits properly, glucose is left stranded in your bloodstream, unable to fuel your cells and instead causing systemic damage, inflammation, and telling your body to store more fat, particularly around the midsection. The solution is not deprivation, it is strategic nourishment. There are 4 pillars of your nutritional defense. First, non-starchy vegetables. Think broccoli, spinach, and bell peppers. Their fiber creates a gel-like matrix in your gut, slowing sugar absorption. Second, lean proteins like chicken, fish, and eggs, which require far less insulin to process than carbohydrates. Third, healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil, which beautifully do not trigger an insulin release at all. And finally, legumes, lentils, and chickpeas, a budget-friendly powerhouse of both fiber and protein. Let's dismantle the myth that this way of eating is expensive. Your arsenal is not found in exclusive health shops, but in the basic aisles of your local market. We're talking about rolled oats, eggs, and canned tuna. We are building our foundation on lentils, chicken thighs, and lean ground meats. These humble staples are extraordinarily powerful. They provide the high-quality protein and fiber your body craves without the high price tag of fleeting superfood trends. This is about sustainable, intelligent, and affordable self-care. Here is your 7-day blueprint in action. Breakfast begins with protein and fat, like scrambled eggs with spinach, to set a stable metabolic tone for the entire day. Lunch can be a large salad with leftover grilled chicken from the night before, efficient and effective. For dinner, baked salmon with roasted broccoli. And here is a crucial strategy. Consume your vegetables first. This simple act provides a fiber buffer, physically blunting the blood sugar spike from any carbohydrates that follow. It is a simple, powerful, and scientifically validated technique. To truly heal, we must also eliminate the aggressors. The primary enemies are not fats, but 2 specific culprits: sugary drinks and anything made from white refined flour. A single commercial sugary beverage is a direct metabolic bomb, demanding a massive, chaotic surge of insulin that your cells simply cannot handle over time. White breads, pastas, and pastries act identically in the body. They are stripped of their fiber and convert to sugar almost instantly. Removing them is not about restriction, it is about removing the primary source of the inflammation that is locking your cells. Finally, remember that this cellular reset extends beyond your plate. Movement, even a simple walk after meals, acts like a sponge, helping your muscles soak up excess blood sugar. Deep, restorative sleep is non-negotiable. It is when your body recalibrates its hormonal sensitivity. And managing stress is paramount, as the stress hormone cortisol directly interferes with insulin's job. By integrating these practices, you are not just changing your diet, you are sending a powerful, consistent signal of safety and balance to every single cell in your body. You are reclaiming your biology now.